G'day guys, it's your boys here. So this is a new little cool pre-Christmas series that we're doing for 2023. You might be watching this in the future, but we're going to be doing a 3-on-1 massage series here, getting all of us ready for Christmas.
Oh yeah.
And so we can have a good yarn about our big giveaway mega prize that's happening in, what is it now? About 15 days time.
Yeah,
So,
10 days time.
10 days time.
Oh, well, 10 days time is Christmas,
No.
so that's the...
So 15 days time. So
15 days time. That's it, my maths is a bit off.
No,
So we're
it's-
giving Darcy a bit of a tune up here,
Yeah.
giving him a rub, and we're going to have a chat to you about, how good our month's been, just promoting our calendar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's been fun, hasn't it, fellas?
Bloody oath, we've been creating some pretty interesting reels, some content, getting creative.
Got a big day today.
Yeah, what do we got planned, Jace?
Filming a few of these that'll sprinkle out over the next week, so yeah, keep an eye out for them. Then we'll go live a couple of times as well, so you might have already seen those lives. We've got a couple of, actually a business breakfast in Richmond at one of the AFL footy clubs with other local businesses in Richmond, and then we're going live again, or we've already been live in the street, so interviewing people walking down the street. So that'll be, and that was fun, wasn't it?
Sounds like a pretty jam-packed day we've got,
Yeah.
Jace. Full of stuff.
Up early.
Up early, yeah, it's really early. We got here at 7 a.m. this morning, so we're filming early.
Early bird gets the worm, like they say.
That's
That's
it.
it. What do you got for us down there, Ninj?
Oh, he's fixing me ankle,
I'm
boys.
just
Don't
fixing,
distract
I'm
him.
just fixing.
Don't distract him, he's doing good work.
I'm just working, mate.
Maybe bring it back to
Going to
what are
work.
you working on?
Oh, the money spot in the ankle.
Yeah.
I just thought I'd go here. Haven't really asked us exactly where the spots are, but I just know that this is going to be a good one. It's a good one, Darcy.
Yeah, man.
That's it. We'll just keep on working on this.
Feels nice.
Get the body to heal.
Got some nuggets up in the shoulder blade here,
Yeah.
Darcy.
Got a good one in the lower back as well.
Yeah.
He's training hard. Footy training's back. He had about 1 week off for pre-season and he's back into it. So.
Yeah. Fuck, that's sore.
But geez, we'll all be feeling good for Christmas, won't we?
After these rubs.
Yeah.
Yeah, the next week you guys are going to get like a 3-on-1 treatment. One of us having to go on the table every second day. So yeah,
Stay
you're going to
tuned.
feast your eyes and listen to us talk about our calendar, how good it is.
Don't miss the chance to get involved. We'll fly you over, set you up in the accommodation. You can spend a week with us.
Yeah, this could be you right here
Oh, every day.
every day.
All day.
Every day, if that's what you need, if you've got chronic pain or you want to work on your posture or your health, whatever it is, yeah.
That's it. So yeah, by now you should know that we're doing a big giveaway on January 1st. So if you buy a calendar, you go into the draw to either win $10,000 credit at MMT for next year or a 7-day flights and accommodation, all expenses trip to Melbourne, Australia to hang out with us and our team for a week. So yeah, it's a big thing that we're undertaking. We've never done this before, so we're kind of putting ourselves out in the line a little bit, but yeah, to give something back to our followers that have watched us for so long. And we recently ticked over 150,000 subscribers on YouTube, which is a massive achievement.
Thanks for that, guys.
Yeah, so it's come at a kind of cool time that we can give back something as well in the calendar and also the prize. So yeah, we would love it if heaps of people got involved, buy the calendar. And at very least, if you don't win, you got a really cool calendar of us that you can hang up and check out all year.
Or gift to a friend or a
Or
family
gift to a
member
friend.
or whoever. Hang it up in your office space, that'll be good.
Buy multiple.
Yeah, you can
For
buy
multiple chances to win.
Exactly.
Or multiple.
Multiple.
So yeah, there'll be links in the description. There'll be probably some cards here as well. So we have two options. So we have a US and Canada resident calendar and then a rest of the world calendar, because apparently over in the US or Canada you guys use some kind of different...
Yeah, they're still imperial.
Is it the
That's what it
imperial
is.
system, is it?
It's
Yeah,
imperial
versus are we
measurements.
metric or something?
Everybody
or...
else is metric. There's only 4 countries in the world that are still imperial. I
There you
looked
go.
this up.
Thanks, Ninj.
Every other country, there's thousands of other countries that are metric.
They're still stuck in it.
Can you name the
I don't
four?
want to change.
We're feet and inches.
Can you name the
Pounds.
four?
Nah.
Five
I
would
did
be
see it. I
right.
can't remember who they were. Wasn't a very big list. It's only 4.
Who's killing you, Darcy?
As his shoulder's pretty sore, yeah.
Maybe, do you want to do a little 100% on it?
Yeah.
Oh.
We're just going to do a little 100% here.
Oh, I'm on here.
He's going to thank Darcy for
He's arching up.
He's arching up.
Just thought it needed a bit of extra love. Let's go for another 10 seconds, Darcy.
Yes. You're right, Darcy.
Yeah, mate, I've got this. Oh, fuck.
It's always
Really?
put in that shoulder blade,
Dude.
isn't it? 1.
Oh, that's a.
Give him a rest. Give him a rest.
Yeah, the rest. Then we've got
Start
the
to calm the system down.
Yeah, that we didn't mention this. There's sprinklings of 100% throughout all these videos, so all of us have to have a go, eh?
Yeah.
Ninja 100% ankle money spot.
I think we've got to go glute.
Go glute next.
Oh.
How long are we going to give him before Jace goes?
Jason's up on the glutes. Just give him a little warm
I'm just starting to warm him up. Just get
Okay,
his glute going.
good man, good man.
'Cause this is still serious treatment. Like you can, sometimes you do need to go 100% for a short amount of time to really get that fixed. So
Yeah, sometimes you get those animals that just can't feel a thing.
Ninja's got a client where he's going 100% the whole treatment. So
And he's having a chat.
yeah,
Yeah, mum's good and uncle's alright, yeah.
Ninja's doing a full
Are you going?
full workout.
Easy going, here we go.
Back in. Come on, Darcy.
Okay, mate, it's okay.
Oh, you bastard,
This is helping my planking.
Oh!
Strong core,
It's
strong core.
okay, mate.
Fucking
And sinking back out.
Oh, that was a good 12 seconds.
I remember that, mate. I'll look after you, mate.
Yeah.
I remember that. Oh.
It's about as long as you last in
Yeah.
12 seconds in sprint.
12 seconds of your best work.
Pretty quick over the sprint track. So
Not much.
12 seconds is pretty good.
Leave the new wife happy.
He's been a bit delusional, hasn't he? Thought that was 30 seconds.
Mate, always talking up.
Nothing good happens after 12 seconds, mate. Nothing good happens after 12 seconds. That's
Right. Good 12 seconds.
Oh.
It's quality, not quantity.
That's it, it's quality.
Isn't it quantity of the substance?
Oh,
Ninja's all about the quantity
Yeah, I am.
and trajectory.
Correct.
Do you want to finish this off, Ninja?
Yeah, we've got one good 100%.
We should go a
I reckon-
calf. Or just,
Oh.
Yeah, maybe if you saw.
Here we go. 30 seconds and then we're done.
Oh, look
Well
at the
done.
clock.
Oh, look at the clock.
Started
Ready?
5
And
seconds.
Go. Here we go.
Oh.
We're on to the races.
Oh.
He's
Come
arching up.
on, come
Arch
on.
it
He's
up.
arching up.
Come on, Ozzy, come on.
This could be you
Oh.
guys. It's a long 30 seconds.
If you want 100%
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Good on it.
Yeah, is that it?
You gotta fix it, though.
Maybe-
You gotta clear it out.
One,
This might be a part of
3,
2, 1, and rest.
Okay.
Thanks, legends. Make sure you buy a calendar. Make sure you're in the running on January 1st. Support us so we can give something awesome back. Appreciate it. Thank
Thanks,
you.
guys.
Done.